and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you 8 remarkable health benefits of mushrooms you can't ignore. Mushrooms belong to the fungi kingdom. Fungi are a diverse group of organisms that include yeast, molds, and mushrooms. The different parts of mushrooms include the mycelium, which is the main body of the fungus and plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption. And then there is a fruiting body, which is the visible part of the mushroom. This is what most people recognize as a mushroom. This part is a reproductive structure that produces and releases spores, allowing the fungus to reproduce. These spores released are carried by wind, water, or other means to new locations where they can potentially grow into new fungi. Many mushrooms are edible and have been used in various cuisines around the world. Mushrooms are not only delicious additions to various cuisines, but also offer several health benefits. It's important to note that the specific health benefits can vary among different types of mushrooms, with some believed to have immune boosting, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. Mushrooms are by all means a healthy dietary source. Here are some of the potential health benefits of mushrooms. Number 1, mushrooms are good for the heart. They are low in calories and fat, making them a heart-healthy food. Additionally, they contain compounds like beta-glucans and fiber, which may contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Number 2, mushrooms are excellent for weight management. They're low in calories and rich in fiber, which can contribute to feelings of fullness. Including mushrooms in your diet may help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Number 3, they're good for blood sugar regulation. Certain mushrooms, such as maitake and cordyceps, have been studied for their potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Number 4, mushrooms have anti-inflammatory properties. Certain mushrooms, including reishi and oyster mushrooms, contain compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues such as cancer, so consuming anti-inflammatory foods such as mushrooms can be beneficial. Number 5, mushrooms are rich in antioxidants. Mushrooms contain antioxidants such as ergothioneine and glutathione, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Number 6, mushrooms are good for immune system support. Some mushrooms like shiitake and maitake have beta-glucans, compounds that may help modulate and enhance the immune system. These compounds have been studied for their potential to boost the body's defense mechanisms. And number 7, mushrooms are rich in vitamin D. When exposed to sunlight or UV light during growth, mushrooms can produce vitamin D. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with limited sun exposure, as vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Mushrooms are also full of B vitamins, which help release energy in the body. And number 8, mushrooms are good for mental health improvement. They cause improved cognitive function. Some mushrooms, particularly lion's mane, have been studied for their potential neuroprotective effects and their ability to support cognitive function. Research is ongoing in this area, though. It's important to note that while mushrooms offer various health benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Additionally, cooking mushrooms thoroughly is recommended, as some varieties contain compounds that are better absorbed by the body after cooking. Always consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice based on your individual health needs. It's also important to note that while many mushrooms are harmless or even beneficial, there are also toxic species. So proper identification is crucial before consuming any wild mushrooms, as some can be poisonous. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't go without giving this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you would be amongst the first to be notified anytime I release a new video. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.